In this video, I'll show you how to make a thumbnail using AI. Let's face it, AI tools have gotten really well nowadays. So now you can create the whole thumbnail just with the prompt. For the creation today, we're going to use two tools. First one is Wondershare's UniConverter, and the second one is just for polishing things a bit, and it's well-known Canva.com. We will use MrBeast as a reference as well, because this is the style that works best, and if we can manage to make something like this, we can have better CTR for sure. So let's get started with this one. First of all, go over to Wondershare.com, or you can just use the link down there in the description. And here, under Video Creativity tab, you've got this, which is called UniConverter. So click on it, and you can find the link for this one as well down there. And the best thing about this one is that you can download this onto your computer. So you don't have to have a hard time dealing with your browser. You know, sometimes some of these tools that you find online, they just don't work well with either Chrome or Firefox. And this is a really good solution. You just download this and it's a software. I wish Canva had something like this, but it doesn't. Also, UniConverter, you can try it for free. You don't have to pay for it. There's free trial with it. You have some features with it. And we use UniConverter in order to generate the initial image. This is how it looks like. This is the software that I'm using. And apart from AI Thumbnail Maker, which is located here, you've got many other options. You've got converters. So for example, I use this a lot when I make a recording with my iPhone, which I'm doing right now, and I want to convert the file from MOV to MP4. It's really handy. Then you've got the compressor, which will essentially just compress your audio or video files, and you will never lose or see the quality loss on it, and it's really handy. Don't let me distract you. We are going to go over to AI Thumbnail Maker here. And this is the window. So I told you that we're going to use MrBeast. Let's say that we want to recreate this. So 7 days stranded on an island. Or let's just say that the video is going to be about surviving 100 days on an island. So what do we have to type in here? First of all, choose the general style here. And then make the prompt as followed. An island with bright colors in the middle of an ocean. Drone view. And you can even add realistic. So this, so realistic, all right, and click on generate. This will take just a few seconds, and here's what we got. So you get 4 options, and let's just choose one of these. This is the one that I like. It looks neat. I don't like these with a city because it's surviving 100 days on an island. It shouldn't be like there's any city, and this one is good as well. It looks nice. So yeah, I like this one and this one. So all right, let's choose this one. So what do you want to do now? Now you just click on this button here, which will download this image to your computer. Actually, it's in your local files. And now for the next part, we just need to get the face of it. If we head over to MrBeast, then we can see that all of the thumbnails have this kind of facial expression in it. So he's either like looking like happy or scared or very sad or angry, but he always has some similar type of facial expressions. So you can either use your own image or you can just generate it with AI as well. If you want to generate with AI, you have to switch over to this, male or female, whatever you want to make. And then I'll just type this, a young man smiling. Click on generate once more. Now you can always change the aspect ratios here, but since the thumbnail on YouTube is 16:9, it's going to be like this. And here's the man smiling in camera. You've got a few of these options. So for example, I like this one and I like this one as well. So let me take this one. I'll just download it. And then we just have to remove the background of that image so we can fit it like MrBeast. Of course, UniConverter has that as well. I'll just close this window. And if you click here on more tools, this will reveal all the tools. They've got many tools. It's really handy for content creators. I can't even put all of this in one video, but I can deal with this. So background remover, I'll just have to add the picture. I'll put that young man and I'll just click on start here. So here it is, background successfully removed. You can just click on this button here and it'll locate the folder. And now it's time for Canva.com. We've got everything ready. You can choose custom size on Canva. click on 1920 1080. And the first thing you got to do is to upload the AI image that we've got from UniConverter, which is an island. Go to Uploads here, click on Upload Files, locate the image, and then just move it over onto the screen. Make this across the whole screen, of course, and then click on Upload Files once more. Now you add the AI image on the man, but without the background. We remove that one, remember? And then we just want to place it here. I'll just increase the size of this a bit more. And then the final thing is that we need to add text, because Mr. Beast always has like day number 2 or something like that. So you can just click on add a heading here and just type in day number 2, let's say, and I'll just increase the size of this one. I'll move it over like this, and I'll change the color of this by clicking here on text color. I'll change it to white, and I'll just add some effects here. And I want an outline, which is like this. Outline is here. Click on it, and outline, I just want to be black, and I'll just increase the thickness of it. So, okay, it's gonna be good like this. So it's day number 2, and this is the whole thumbnail. You know, it's all you have to do, just like here. As you can see, day number 6, it's a different font though, but you shouldn't just make it exactly the same like Mr. Beast is doing, but it is essentially the same thing. We got the expression, we've got the island, and we got like day 2. You can add a bit more things, but it shouldn't be like oversaturated. All you gotta do is to click on share here, click on download, and PNG is all right. Click on download, and then it's gonna go over to your computer. Now, this is with people in it, but I want to show you something else. Let me just go back to AI Thumbnail Maker. If you go over to Sci-Fi, and this is what I had in mind. I wanted to make a video about insane gaming setup, all right, with a lot of RGB lights. So, for example, you're making a video about those setups. You've seen those on YouTube, so click on Generate. And this is the style that I was looking for, something like this. This was probably created with AI as well. You can see that people are using it. And you can add, for example, like these ratings, or you can add a person on top of this. You can see most of these are generated with the help of AI. And let me just show you how it functions with UniConverter. Here it is. You can see similar style that we have seen on YouTube. So now you do the same thing. You download the image and you head over to Canva and you just put a bit of text or maybe your face, whatever. Essentially just use the Sci-Fi because it's really good. Also, you've got sketch, cyberpunk, comics, cartoon. Cartoon is one is good, really. Pastel, 3D animations, whatever. It's a really, really powerful tool. And as I've told you, you can try it out for free. And you can just click the link down there in the description to go there. And yeah, regarding the pricing, it's not that expensive. As you can see, if you go with the yearly plan, it's only $50. But if you're a student, there is a special offer for education people. So it is monthly plan, 1 PC for $8 per month. So it's really good. It's just got tons of features. I can't put all of that into one video, so I suggest just click the link and explore for yourself. Wish you good luck and happy creating.